Veranda restaurant and bar is actually a Jamaican restaurant. Folks,
you look like a star. You guys look lovely tonight. Breadfruit, they got it also having in the plantain soup. But you know, some of Jamaican, so we deal with breadfruit. I noticed their plate was empty. How was the food?
It was excellent, man. We come here all the time and the food is really, really good.
Yo, Lando, Prime Time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle tracking, Jamaica running.
Shalom, shalom. What it is, people? It's your boy Lando, and I am, oh man, dope. I'm here. It's a beautiful day, man. Y'all know me. I like to consume good food. My ministry just got my car washed, you know. Since I'm on this side of town, I got a nice spot. I'm gonna put y'all on, cause y'all my family members, man, my cousins, man, you know. So I'm gonna put y'all on this spot. You see this spot? Y'all know me, I'm Jamaican, so I love Jamaican food. But I eat all type of food, but I got a spot I'm gonna put y'all on. This is not a new spot. This is my spot. This is one of my secret spots that a lot of people don't know about. But I'm gonna put y'all on cause y'all family members. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I'm gonna give y'all the area. Broward Boulevard. It's in the cut too. A lot of y'all, if you from this city, you drove past this spot a million times, but you don't know. It's one of those spots, if you know, you know. Exclusive food, but everything by the money, but right? So we about to pull up. And they gonna give me an interview. I'm putting y'all on. Okay? Okay! Yeah. So everything going on. Active.
Sunday bells in a distance ring. Dust on my boots, got a prayer sing. Life gets heavy, the road gets long, but the Lord still haunts me in mercy song. I felt the weight of a broken land. Try to fix it all with these trembling hands. Then I heard his voice, soft but strong, say, child, rest now, I got you all alone. So I lean on grace.
Shalom. What it is, people? It's your boy Lando, and I am the man. Don't check it out. We at one of my exclusive spots. I'm putting y'all on. This one's more for the aunties and the unks, but the food good enough. So even if you're not an auntie or unk, it's the place to go. La Veranda, Sunrise, Florida. I'm about to give y'all some exclusive information. I'm putting y'all on. Auntie, I saw you come. Unk, I saw you come. Watch it. Let's go in.
Prime Time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle tracking, Jamaica running. Prime Time Lando, yeah, we dep on the road. Truck them rolling, blessings overload. From Georgia to Florida, God in my soul. Shalom, shalom, man, I'm moving control. Lifestyle clean and the vlogs them bold. Culture rich like pure Jamaican gold. Prime Time Lando, yeah, the journey unfold. Press record, make the story get told. A lifestyle flex, step out neat. Lando stay crisp, clean drip. Lie on mark, God bless me. Steps from the cap to the gym, energy never less. Jet them swing when me push progress. Travel vlog,
Stars.
vlog, countryman.
And you look like a star. You guys look lovely tonight. Come here, mama. Say hello to the people.
Hi.
Happy Mother's Day.
We could.
All right.
Yes, and she's from way in Palm Bay.
Palm Bay?
So say hi.
Welcome to Fort Lauderdale.
we're happy to have you. Plantation is
Yes.
my darling. How are
I
you?
can't even.
People, just like I told you guys, we're here at La Veranda Sunrise. No, what is it? Sunrise or Plantation?
Plantation.
Plantation, Florida.
Sunrise is across the street.
So, all right, Sunrise across the street. What's your name?
Paul.
Paul.
Yeah.
It's Paul, people. Paul, who is Paul?
My wife and I own this place.
So you're the owner.
We're the owners of the business.
Okay,
yes.
well, we'll unbind this. All right. So tell me about the establishment. I love everything that you got going on in here. Oh, this was my waitress. This was her. Big up. Tell me about the restaurant.
Shy, say hi.
Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Hi too.
You on YouTube right now, you know?
La Veranda restaurant and bar is actually a Jamaican restaurant. Folks,
that?
they misunderstand the name because they think it should be Spanish.
The law.
The law.
But we know Veranda.
Well, not only that, Veranda in any language is Veranda, by the way.
Oh, true,
Yes.
true.
But my wife is actually Hispanic Jamaican. She's
Okay.
Panamanian Jamaican.
Bop.
So a lot of people don't understand that. And the whole history of La Veranda, it goes way back to her dad, who every time we went to visit and he knew we were coming, he'd be sitting on the veranda waiting for us.
Nice.
When we got the place 4 years ago, he was ill.
Yeah.
And
I like
ultimately he passed.
Okay.
Ultimately he passed.
So that's where the name comes
So the
from.
name comes from that heritage and from him. So Fernando, Nando, much love wherever you are. So that's how
Big
La
up.
Veranda became La Veranda. A lot of people think, oh, it must be a Spanish. No, it's not. It's actually a 100% Jamaican establishment. We have a full Jamaican menu.
Right.
We serve everything from your traditional oxtail, curry goat, brown stew fish, steamed fish, escovitch fish.
Escovitch.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
Yeah.
But we run the gamut on that. We do a little bit of tostones and stuff like that. But
Nice.
for the most part, we're a typical and traditional Jamaican establishment.
Nice. So I've been here a few times. I have my mic too. I've been here a few times, and I noticed as the lady was coming in, she said, "Big people club." It's not a club, people. It's a restaurant, but it's growing people, big people, and they might play some good music. It's a live band, by the way. You tell about the live band.
Well, there's a couple of things. First of all, we take entertainment seriously.
Right.
I was born and raised in the music business, so I love the whole music side of everything.
Right.
So La Veranda, in essence, on the weekends, is it's a dining music theater kind of vibe. You know, we have whether it's going to be DJ music or a live band, we have something going on almost every night on the weekend. So on a Friday night, we have pretty much a hardcore reggae band that plays reggae music from 8:30 till we close, and it's a really vibrant environment, very vibrant.
I've noticed.
It's in the middle of the dining room and everybody's involved, and it's very much, something that the folks who come here really appreciate. They really like it. On a Saturday night, tonight we have a band. We don't have a band every Saturday night, but we do have a band on Saturday night sometimes. But we also have a cadre of DJs who come through, and on a Sunday night we have Soul Sundays. We have our guys who come in and do more old school stuff, older music, because we do have a mature audience. We do cater for a mature audience because it's a comfort zone.
Okay.
It's somewhere where the mature folks will feel welcome, and they know they can come and brook out. They can come and brook out too, because when you see them on a Friday night, they're really doing it.
Okay.
So it's a nice environment, and you'll see from the photos and the pictures, very casual but very sophisticated at the same time. It's not a takeout.
You don't dress like this. Don't dress like me, people. Don't dress like this. Come here already. I'm see people in a 3-piece suit.
Of course.
And then you see somebody in a little button up. You don't have to dress like that, but I'm just giving you what the environment look like.
Right.
And I noticed, what night is it? Karaoke. I came here one night. It was
Karaoke is
karaoke.
a Thursday night.
Thursday night?
Thursday night. I happen to be the host of the karaoke on a Thursday
Oh, so you
night.
can't sing. What's a note?
No. I'm hoarse.
Oh, you're hoarse.
I'm hoarse from this past weekend. It was
Okay.
crazy. But if you pass by on a Thursday night, I'll be more than happy to sing some songs.
for sure.
But no, the vibe is really good, and we've been open. We're in our third year.
Third year?
We're in our.
And this year
third
we find out what thing?
And that's exactly
This year.
Part of it is the marketing. It's been a slow uptake, and then people have not connected the name with the place.
La Veranda.
Yeah,
Might have to fling up a flag up there, make them know. Say
But the word is getting out. And the food.
It will now.
The food.
YouTube.
The food.
Come in.
The food.
The food. Listen.
Food.
People,
The food.
The food
Yes, the
is
food.
delicious. I'm not just saying it just because in there right there, so. Because we're gonna eat, so you're gonna see the food. The food is beautiful.
good. But let me be honest, we cook to order most of our dishes. Most of our dishes are cooked to order, so this is not a rushed environment, and that's why the food is so good, folks. You will have to wait a little bit for the food because we don't freeze fish. We order enough fish just to last for 2 or 3 days, so that we can just serve a nice fish every time. We try our best to make sure that we cook everything right as you order it, except of course, the oxtail and the curry goat. You got to have that ready to go. but all of our fish dishes for sure, and lamb chops and all of that stuff.
Yeah.
It's all done to order. Steamed fish takes a long time, but it's awesome. The presentation is on point. It's a good look. It's a good look, and you'll see for yourself when you come or when you take a look at the pictures from this interview.
I love it, man. I've been all I eat. You guys know all I eat is seafood. Right here. I'm here. Friday or Saturday. I'm here.
Yeah.
I don't come like this. So you know what? I might stay. I might go home, because I don't go home, change, and come back and let y'all see the night vibe. But it's a beautiful environment, people. I'm telling you.
Show them a little bit of our band tonight.
Yeah.
We have Magic and Gary G in the house, and we have our own. Our resident band is the All-Star Band.
Yeah.
And it's a really good look. It's a really good look.
I definitely will be back. I'm going home and change. I'm gonna eat first. I'm gonna eat first.
Yeah. Share the food with them.
Yes. I'm gonna eat first. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna show you guys what the environment look like. But trust me, people. Please do. I would never push you in the wrong direction. This is the place you need to be. La Veranda, Plantation, Florida. Sunrise across the street. I appreciate you, man.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
No problem.
I'm gonna change and come back too.
Exactly. You know where I'm going.
All right. Thank you.
All right, people. We hungry, so we going inside to eat. I came outside. Why I came outside? Because the inside, they play music. We have to make sure we get the quality good. And on top of it, YouTube going already. You looking like that? How you doing?
Welcome to La Veranda Restaurant and Bar. My name is Shy and I'll be your server for today.
Shine?
Shy.
Your name is Shy?
Yes.
What Shy stand for?
The meaning is gift from God.
Gift from God, Shy? Spell it.
S-H-Y.
S-H what? Oh, Shy.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. How you doing, Shy?
I'm great.
I'm here to eat, consume some good food. So what do you suggest? This is my waiter. Every time I come here, she the one. Shy. She's Shy. I really don't know if that's her name, but she said her name is Shy. What I got last time? I think I got the bronze stew.
Fish. With rice and peas.
With rice and peas. You know what? I'm gonna go with because the escovitch set that different. I want appetizers too.
I think you should try the steamed fish.
The steamed fish? I do enough steamed fish. The steamed fish bad like that.
Right.
I do steamed fish last week, All right, she said steamed fish, guys. So I'm going with the steamed fish. Appetizer. You can tell I've been here, right? But I'm introducing y'all the saltfish fritters. Tostones. Yeah.
Breadfruit or plantain?
Breadfruit or plantains, guys. You can have it either way. So, breadfruit.
Okay.
And let me see, what else do I want? What else do I want? Think that's good for right now? Yeah. All right.
Anything to drink?
Do I want something to drink?
Do you want the brown stew, the steamed fish with bami, steamed bami?
Yes, drop the bami night. What?
Okay.
Yes, bami. So people, this is my spot. I'm putting y'all on my spot. All right? So you in the South Florida area, whether you're in Miami, West Palm, Fort Lauderdale, trust me, the food bad. Especially I ordered the breadfruit tostones, something with the saltfish. Yo, it's good. Super good. And this is where you could come. You can have a vibe. You can have a good date night here because they have karaoke night on certain nights. They always have a live band. It's clean music. So if you're into the good clean music, there's no broke you down. None of that now going. Just come over here and vibe and all that. I love it, man. I'm just putting y'all on my spot. I know it's a 10 out of 10 already. I know it's a 10. I never had the steamed fish though, so I'm gonna give an honest review on the steamed fish. But me know the brown stew bad. 10 out of 10. All right, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Doing great, man. Doing great. Yeah. So yeah, we know that. So we're gonna see what the steamed fish tastes like. I never had the steamed fish. But yeah, stay tuned. All right, people. Breadfruit tostones on the ground. All right. I know what it tastes like. I know it's good. Hey, what is the chance they might have messed up to that? Breadfruit. They got it. Also have it in with plantains too. But you know, some man are Jamaican, so we have to deal with breadfruit. Look at that. Want some? Oh, we ain't blessed our food, did we? But God, we just want to thank you for the food. Pray this food be a blessing and healing to my body in the name of Yeshua. Amen. Let's eat. Let's consume. Don't miss.
Water.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy.
I'm dolo people. I'm by myself. Wifey out with her friends. They on Mother's Day, doing Mother's Day stuff together. So I'm here by myself. Got some toast stones. I'm going to enjoy. I'm going to do one of the things that I love. Eat some food. They don't miss with this toast. They don't miss, man. There we go. Whoa.
Go.
Oh my gosh. Look at the presentation.
Enjoy.
Oh, this look good. Here with the good steamed fish. You know what? I love my steamed fish. You know I love my steamed fish, people. And they got the bami on top with the steamed fish. Everything look good. Presentation is immaculate. Let's go through it. Let's go through this. We got, is this pumpkin? We got pumpkin, bell pepper, broccoli, bami, okra, all of that. All of that. Oh, did I order sides? I don't think I ordered any sides. I'm gonna tell her to give me some side of rice. You know, I don't need no rice. I'm gonna eat it just like this. All I need. You don't have to eat it with rice because it's enough food in here to not eat it with rice. You know? We're about to go in, people. I'm outside. You know, it's getting dark. It's getting dark, but I didn't want to be inside because of all that noise. But we're gonna go in. Let's taste it. What's best food? All right, we best this one too. Father, we thank you for this food. Pray this food be a blessing and a healing to my body. In the name of Yeshua. Amen. Bami first. Or dip the bami in the gravy. All right? Oh, I dropped my fork. I gotta get another fork. I'll be back. I'm on my way. All right, people. My fork fell. It's all good. I'm gonna eat it with the knife. She coming. She's serving another table for it. When she come back, we got the bami. Dip the bami in that gravy. Yes, sir. Y'all know I love my steamed fish. Oh yeah. It's in my top 5 with the steamed fish. We're gonna see if it's in my top 5. The gravy tastes good. Let's see what the fish. Hold on. We got pumpkin. Good pumpkin. Pumpkin. Okay, boy, flavors here. I ain't touched the fish yet. Okra. So okra taste. I'm going to buy some. All right. By the time she come, probably will finish before. She said she's coming though. It's bad. Fish time. Let's see how the fish tastes. Let's see how the fish have the right flavor. A good steamed fish must have some spice. They did not fail. Did not fail, people. Oh my gosh. I mean, everybody can make steamed fish now. You can't really mess it up, but then everybody can make it taste like, yo, this is it. End all be all. Pumpkin again. You don't need no rice with this. Let's see how the broccoli tastes. I'm gonna taste one broccoli, you know. Yeah, it went bad. Let's see if this can beat it. That's delicious. What's up, boss? All right, big up. People, all the bands, people coming in. I'm gonna show y'all that too. We doing a full review on this. I will go home. She and John come back just for them. Make sure I look myself. Let me look like a smarty pitney. Make sure I look right. You know what I mean? For my non-Jamaicans, when they say look like somebody pitney, look like somebody child. So I'm gonna put on something to make sure I look a little spiffy. Yes, sir. All right. I need my fork so I can really enjoy this. It's because I'm outside. Everybody's, I don't even think. Actually, I waved at her. I never told her I need something. Because she probably don't even know what I mean. I gotta go. She should be coming back though. She usually come back and check. All right, people. Back to normal programming. Got a new fork. All right, let me finish up this fish. This food is good, y'all. Here's some good food. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Yes. You can tell this is not just salt. You can taste the combination of all the flavors, the spices. Yeah, man, ain't taking any time with this, man. Yeah, man, big up the chef. Chef, big up. People, order the brown stew fish, order the steamed fish, and order the salt fish, tostones. I can tell you about those. I don't know about nothing else. Oh, you know what? My wife was here. She loved the chicken wings. Every time she comes here, she orders the chicken wings. The chicken wings is really good, too. Yeah, I'm one of those food bloggers that just tell you about seafood. I bring somebody else to consume the other stuff. But me know I said the chicken wings good. My wife is very picky, by the way.
Love, I'm finally home. Mama's Bible by the window pane. Pages one from joy and pain. She told me faith ain't just what you say. It's how you love when you heard that day.
We here. Hold on, you got the mic. Hold on, let me hold the mic. People, we are here with a customer. I noticed their plate was empty. How was the food?
It was excellent, man. We come here all the time and the food is really, really good. The brown stew fish and the steamed bami and the fried plantain.
Yeah.
It was really good.
I like it.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Try to come like once a week.
Show them. Explain them who is this people.
Alright, so this is my daughter.
Put the mic up.
This is my daughter, Alyssa James. She plays tennis. She is ranked 44 in the world in juniors. And she's competing in the Roland Garros and Wimbledon in a few weeks. Okay. So we're just trying to get the word out so that she can get some followers and people can track her progress.
Right. What do we need to do to blow it up?
Yeah, you can follow her on Instagram. It's right there. A1YSSA.James. James.
Big up.
Yeah, man. She's Jamaican, so have to support, you know?
I appreciate it. People, we gonna blow this up. Alyssa James. This our people. We gotta blow it up. Thank you for giving me your opinion on the food. Yeah. I will be coming back. You coming back later?
Yeah, man. I'll probably pass back through later.
Put on your suit and tie?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, man.
I'm not even gonna put. You wanna be on TV? People, guess what? This young lady over here, she also has a restaurant. So we're gonna support our people, right? In Pompano. Was Utopia? Utopia Juice Bar in Pompano. I will be dropping the address and I will be doing a review on them, so look forward for that. I appreciate you. I'm home. I'm going back. I come home, take a quick shower, clean up a little bit. I'm about to go back. I want to show y'all. I want to make sure y'all enjoy this. Y'all see what this spot is all about. Y'all should check them out, man. I'm telling you, it's a vibe, man. It's a chill vibe. It's grown, folks. If you're grown, this is where you go. If you just want to chill, that's where you go. But I'm about to go there. But by the time the next clip, we back at La Veranda.
Count to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, people, I'm back. You see where I'm at. You see the background. I made myself look a little clean up a little bit, you know. But hear this out. It's after 10, people. My bedtime is 9:30. I'm doing this for y'all. Doing this for y'all because we was in my bed already. So I'm gonna go in there and give y'all a little, might be about 30, 40 minutes, about 30 minutes. My wife not even with me. It's not, I don't feel right. So that's what we're doing. Y'all ready? Let's go.
What a sweet, sweet night. It's such a beautiful night. If you're having a good time tonight, let me hear you say yes. Oh yeah, I feel good. So when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, and I feel good. So when your perfume is around, yes, we around. Oh no, oh, why someone show me that love unconditional? Make believe we are alone, just you and me. We'll leave your problems, leave them behind. There's fire die, kill and it's gonna say that I'm for a night. Well, no way, them things will not fight. Because hey, Rastafari, but them don't know me, so I say I. There's a high time, things never fight. Go for it, go. Shake it up, hey. Say, one more time. Shake it up.
God's got not Spanish now.
Yo quiero su tintos labios. She's celebrating her birthday. She's from the beautiful country of Nicaragua. Nicaragua. Hey, how do they dance in Nicaragua? Come show us how they dance.
Come on, Macheta.
You want to see her dance for her birthday today, right? Nicaragua, Managua, Nicaragua.
Yeah, I believe I'm closing the restaurant.
But I just want to say on behalf of the management and staff of Veranda Restaurant and Bar, excuse me, that we really appreciate you coming out tonight and celebrating and enjoying this night with us, because you know what, you had choices and you chose us. So we're humbled by the fact that you're here, and we want to say thanks to each and every one of you individually. Thank you for coming. Magic. Here, G. Manners.
People, we literally closed the place. Well, there's a couple people still in there. We are past my bedtime. Way past my bedtime, but I'm here. Man, it was a vibe in there, man. If you grown and you want to have some clean fun, that's where you go. The band plays a little bit of everything. Old school, new school, but clean music. So people, you looking for somewhere clean to go where you can vibe out, shake your legs. Cause I shake my legs. I've been practicing a couple dance moves in the mirror, and I got to use them. Yeah. Either way, man, y'all go check out La Veranda. My wife came up here. She my stalker. She was doing her girls thing, then she just popped up on me. So, yeah, but thank y'all for watching. Y'all gotta check out La Veranda, man. Big up La Veranda. And the owner is real cool too, man. Him and his wife was there. So shout out to them. Thank y'all for watching, man. Make sure y'all subscribe and like and share. Just know, I'm gonna find all the spots for y'all. All the spots in the city. South Florida. I'm gonna say Florida right now. Anywhere in the world. You drop it, I'm coming. I'm gonna find it for y'all. And I'll let you know if it's a vibe or not. This definitely was a vibe. La Veranda was a vibe. It's your boy Lando, and I am the Mando.